How to register for copy trading provider. Open your web browser and go to the website www.YaMarkets.com. On the website's homepage, you will see several options such as iOS, Global CRM, Copy Trading, and CRM. Click on the Copy Trading. Choose Copy Trading. Click on Register as Provider below. Fill in required details. Under the server name, select Live MT5. In the Trading Account field, enter your trading account number. Enter your account password. Choose a desired nickname for your master trader account. Click on the Register button. After successful registration, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, verify your nickname and personal details associated with your account. Under the Common Information section, you can check or edit the details as required. Navigate to the Strategy section on your dashboard. You can choose Hide to hide stops and select Strategy Mode All based on your preferences. Save the changes. Go to the dashboard again and choose Finance. Save the changes after providing the necessary finance information. Return to the dashboard and select Offers. Here, you can create desired offers for your followers. For example, create Offer 1 and specify the details as follows. Visibility. Public. Percentage of followers' profit paid to the provider, 25%. Interval. Click on Create to generate your desired offer. If necessary, you can add additional agents by using the Add button in the Additional Agents tab. Use the Edit button in the Filters, specify the minimum balance for the offer. For example, $200. Save changes after setting your desired limits. You are now all set as a copy trading provider on YaMarkets.com.